Understanding plagued by jealousy, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard or read somewhere: plagued by jealousy. This expression is rich in emotion and imagery, and understanding it can help you grasp the nuances of the English language. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to clarify its usage. The phrase, plagued by jealousy, combines two powerful words to convey a strong emotion. To be plagued means to be troubled or distressed by something, often persistently. It conjures images of being attacked or overwhelmed by a disease, in this case, metaphorically. Jealousy is an emotion that arises when someone is envious of another's success, possessions, or relationships. When someone is plagued by jealousy, it means they are deeply and continuously troubled by feelings of envy towards someone else. This jealousy is not fleeting. It's an ongoing issue that affects their peace of mind and possibly their actions. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. In literature, a character might be plagued by jealousy towards a rival, leading to a series of conflicts or a tragic downfall. In the workplace, an employee could feel plagued by jealousy over a coworker's promotion, affecting their work performance and relationships. In relationships, someone might be plagued by jealousy if they constantly fear their partner is interested in someone else, leading to trust issues. These examples show how jealousy, when it becomes a plague, can have serious consequences on individuals' lives and their interactions with others. While it's normal to feel jealous at times, being plagued by jealousy can be harmful. Here are a few tips on overcoming these feelings. Self-reflection. Acknowledge your jealousy and understand its roots. Communication. Talk about your feelings with someone you trust. Focus on self-improvement. Concentrate on your growth rather than comparing yourself to others. Practice gratitude. Remind yourself of the good in your life, reducing the space for jealousy. Being plagued by jealousy can be a challenging experience, but it's important to remember that it's possible to overcome these feelings. Understanding and using this phrase not only enriches your English vocabulary but also helps you navigate complex emotions in your personal and professional life. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Stay curious, and happy learning!